Hello, this is Basaraj, lecturer in economics. In the last class, we had been discussed the profit maximization under two different conditions. Condition 1, that is condition A, price must be equivalent to marginal cost. Condition B, price is not decreasing at Q0 of short run marginal cost. Here marginal cost is not decreasing at Q0. It is Q0 as the marginal cost, short run marginal cost, which has been short run marginal cost. First, this we can come to know. Condition A, price is equivalent to MC. MC is nothing but price is the market price. MC is the short run marginal cost. Short run marginal cost is equivalent to the market price. Marginal cost must be equivalent to the market price. As in the last diagram, we have been like this. This is the price, short run marginal cost. Right? This is Q0, this is A, this is B, where it has been Q4. This we had been come to know in the last class. At A, this is the point of Q0 and Q4. It is where the price is equivalent to marginal cost. Marginal cost curve, which has been tangent at the point A and tangent at the point B. Both are equal. Both are equal in the sense that price is equivalent to marginal cost. Then no question of any profit to be get because price is equivalent to marginal cost. What cost has been spent by the firm is equivalent to the price of the market. That's why no profit and no loss. At the same time, condition B, the marginal cost must not be decreasing at Q0. Marginal cost must not decreasing or decreasing. Nothing but the non-decreasing. Non-decreasing at Q0. At Q0 it is not decreasing. In the sense that decreasing of this marginal cost before Q0, this can be suppose it is the 1, Q1 and Q4. Here Q1 is there, before Q1 is nothing but the Q0. In the Q0, that marginal cost not decreasing should not decrease, but it has been decreasing. That's why this part before Q1 not get any profit at maximum level, even after the Q4 not get the maximum profit. Maximum profit cannot be get. A firm cannot be get the maximum profit. That's why marginal cost must be equivalent to the price, means no profit. But when the marginal cost is decreasing at Q0 also cannot be possible to get the maximization of the profit. Then as long as there is a distance more of the marginal cost is less and also market price is more, that can the level where the firm can get the maximum profit. This is what two conditions we had been come to know in the last class. Now we shall go for the condition C. Condition C is nothing but there is the long run and short run. Both the long run and short run. Here one thing come to know, profit maximization of any firm under the perfect competition. At condition C, how it can be get the profit maximization. We can come to see the third condition. Case 1. The third condition, case 1. where the profit can be possible. The price must be greater than. Price must be greater than marginal cost. Always marginal cost of ABC. In the short run, this is case 1. Come to the case 2. Here price must be greater than AC or long run. Average cost in the long run can be. That is in the long run. Price must be greater than or equal to. Price must be greater than or equal to average cost in the long run. There are two conditions are there. In the previous classes we have become to know. In this class we go for the condition C. Condition C has two cases. Case 1, price must be greater than average variable cost in the short run. Case 2, price must be greater than or equal to average cost in the long run. Average cost in the sense that it is nothing but the long run average cost. It is the long run average cost. This can be understood by diagrammatically. Diagrammatically, this is short run marginal cost. This is short run average cost. This is average variable cost. ABC, the minimum. E and also D, P. E and also P. Where there is a, this is x-axis 0 and y-axis the cost, price and cost here. Price and cost. Here we are being, and we can understand the way of output. Output in the output. This is Q level of output. Some say there are two curves are there, short run average cost and average variable cost, but short run marginal cost is starts at the quite near to the ABC curve, but it has been start at the very higher in the beginning and comes down and later it can be rises. But at the ABC, the minimum level, it can possibly to get tangent. It can tangent. See, at A, B and also E and P is there. This is the price level in the market. In the short run, price is always minimum of the ABC, because here price must be greater than or ABC in the short run. ABC ಗಿಂತಲೂ price ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Price is greater than ABC. This is what price is greater than ABC. Then only can get the profit maximization. Here SMC curve where the tangent of ABC curve. Here ABC average variable cost is more. Short run average cost is much more higher. than other curves, SAC and also ABC curves, where profit how can possibly get the maximum level is the question. The thing is, here we can come to know how to calculate the maximum profit. First we shall come to know total revenue price into Q is equal to price in the market into quantity of output. Quantity of output to be calculated. Here P into Q is nothing but the P into Q price and also quantity. That is OP and also OP and OQ1. OQ1. OP is the level of vertical. This vertical and also this is horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. The height of the vertical, length of the horizontal we have been taken from here. By multiplying this we can get the total revenue. Total revenue rectangular area of the OPAQ can be OPAQ. This is equivalent to OPAQ. OPAQ is the level of output it can be get. This is what total revenue. Here total revenue, what is the cost is there? Average variable cost is this is average variable cost. Then total cost equals total cost na find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ OE total cost nothing but the OE into AB BQ. OP BQ can be OE BQ1 or OE BQ1. OE BQ1 can be, this is the rectangular area. This rectangular area is nothing but the total cost. Then total revenue and total cost. Total revenue minus total cost equals profit. Then total revenue is OPAQ1 minus total cost is OEBQ1 equals profit is to be get minus. Same what the rectangular area is there, this is nothing but the revenue. This is the cost. This is the revenue, this is the total cost. And what it has been spent the cost, this is the revenue, then we can have the profit. Profit is nothing but PEBA. Then it is PEBA is loss. No profit. This is no profit because it cannot be get the profit, because the thing is when the total revenue is more, here total revenue is less than total cost. This is nothing but recorded as loss. Which is the loss? This area is nothing but the loss. This is the area where it has been the loss, because price level is this one. This is 5 rupees is the price. This is 8 rupees is the cost. 5 rupees is the revenue, 8 rupees is the cost. Then 8 minus 5 equals 3 rupees is nothing but the loss. This is the loss, because when we have more of the cost at the B level and also the price is less in the market, automatically average cost is more than the market price. Automatically it has the loss of 3 rupees per unit of the product. This is what how a firm can be get the price must be greater than ABC. Then that's why it has been ABC ಗಿಂತಲೂ price ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲಾಭ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, price ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Come to see here, this is ABC. See, in this way, this is price, this is cost. Cost, this is ABC, this is SMC. SMC and also ABC. When price is more, price is 10 rupees, then cost is 8 rupees. 8 minus 10 is 2 rupees is the profit. 2 rupees profit can be. This is what? When price is more and cost is less, automatically we can have the profit. That's why the firm in the short run cannot be get the profit, because the price must be, condition is greater than ABC. Nothing but the price is greater than ABC. That leads to the profit. That leads to profit. Here it is, the price is less than ABC. That's why it is the loss. It is loss. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ABC ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Then the other case is price is less than the ABC. That's why it is to be the loss. That's why in the short run, the perfect competitive firm cannot be get the maximum profit, because large number of producers and also sellers are there. That's why it cannot be get the more profit. That you must come to know what is profit maximization in the short run according to condition C. Case 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ABC ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We shall go move on to the second condition ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Profit maximization. Condition 3, case 2, that is price must be greater than or equal to in the long run. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ case B. It is here case 2, price must be greater than or equal to average cost. Equal to average cost. As per that, price must be greater than or equal to average cost in the long run. Average cost is nothing but to be called as long run average cost. It is long run average cost. We shall come to know through the diagram. Long run average cost. X axis and y axis must be right. This is what? Both are curves. Long run average cost, long run marginal cost. Two curves must be. That is the B and A. It must be B and A. Price and also marginal cost. This is market price. This is E. This is Q1 output. Cost and price. Cost and price, then E. See here the diagram. As per the condition 3 and case 2, price must be greater than or equal to the average cost in the long run anta helutte. But here as per the diagram, same we wish to be calculate how it can be possible to get the profit maximization. ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, long run average cost ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, it has been at the minimum point. It has been at the minimum point. At the minimum point, your price is less than the average cost. Price is less than the average cost. That's why average cost is more. Suppose average cost is 15 rupees and also market price is 10 rupees. What is the level of the profit can be? We have the loss. This is loss. Loss has been done here. This is the revenue chain. Revenue. How revenue can be? Revenue or equals or maybe revenue equals revenue minus cost. Yeah, revenue is OPAQ1. OPAQ1 is the revenue minus cost is OEBQ1. Q1 is the cost. Revenue minus cost equals, what is there? Here revenue and also cost. Here revenue is greater than cost. Revenue is greater than cost. That's why that leads to loss. That leads to loss can be. That's why what it can be, the revenue when it is more than the cost, then it can have the loss. It is when the revenue is less than cost. When revenue is less than cost, it can have the loss can be. This is what is loss is. Loss for the firm is PEBA. Price level, and also this is the level of the average cost. Then PEBA is the loss what it can have. This is the area what it can have the loss. Why it has been the loss? Because cost is more than revenue. When cost is more than revenue, it can have the loss can be. Because as long as average cost is more than the price, this is the market price. This is the market price. Here market price is less. That is 10 rupees. When we have the 10 rupees of the market price, we have the cost of 15. We have the loss for the 5 rupees loss. This is 5 rupees loss. Why it has been the loss? Because average cost spent by the firm for every unit of the product is less. The cost is more, market price is less. ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ 2 in the condition 3, the firm cannot be get the profit unless it has the price must be more or equivalent to the average cost, otherwise it will be loss ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು PEBA ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯತಾಕಾರ. ಅದೇ OPAE ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆದಾಯ. ಬರೋ ಆದಾಯ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಖರ್ಚು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇದು ಖರ್ಚು. ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ. ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಸ್, to have the profit, it must be have the more of short run marginal cost, short run average cost, average variable cost. This is what, when we have the more of the average cost, more than the average cost, when we have, it can easily get the profit. This is price level. This is market price. SAC market price. SAC and also ABC is there, where the ABC is much more less, average cost is much more higher, but more than that, both is nothing but the called as market price is there. As per the market price, it can have the tangency level. That is E. Here price and costs. This is output. This is Q1. The level of Q1. What it is getting? Come to see now. How a firm can be get the maximum profit, that can be explained very easily by the way of the diagrammatic. See, the y-axis shows the price and cost, and x-axis shows the output of the firm. There are three curves are there. One is the short-term marginal curve, short-term average curve, and the short-term average variable cost curve. Here there are revenue part is there. This is what can we get the revenue. This is the revenue. This is the cost. This is cost. The cost and say OE revenue minus cost equals profit. The revenue is OP. OP OPAB. OPAB. That is minus cost is OEBQ1. OEBQ1 is nothing but the profit. Then when we have the OPAQ1 minus OEBA is nothing but because this part of the rectangular area is the profit. That is EPAB. EPAB is the profit. This is what profit it can be. It means what the rectangular area is there, the smaller is nothing but the cost. This is the cost, suppose. But when we have the more of the price, this is the profit, the revenue. That is the revenue. Revenue can have this much. This is the revenue can. When we have more of the revenue, the cost is like this. This is cost. Cost is less, revenue is more. That's why the firm can be get the maximum profit. When how long? Price is greater than. That's what is price is greater than to AC. It means price is greater than short-run average cost and average variable cost. The firm can be get the profit. This is what is profit maximization can. Our price must be greater than short-run average cost and average variable cost. The profit maximization can be achieved. This is what a firm can possibly have the more of the profit can be. How long it can? When the more of the revenue and less of the cost, automatically firm will be get maximum profit in the short run. See here, they ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ OPAQ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 20 rupees, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ 15 rupees, then 5 rupees is the profit. 5 rupees is profit. What the profit can be get because price market price is 20, 15 is the cost. ಅಂದರೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಭ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಎ firm under perfect competition in the short run can be achieve the maximum profit only when price must be greater than average variable cost. or average cost. This is called as profit maximization under short run. Profit maximization under short run. In the same way, you can also possible to become to know the short run average cost and also short run marginal cost. Based on that, we can be explain the same. This which is nothing but to be called as how profit maximization can be held by the firm under both short run and also long run. Short run and long run. If you have, this is most important for the 4 marks and also 6 marks questions. 4 marks and 6 marks questions is most important. You must be learn and also watch the video again and again to be realize what is the real meaning of the short run average cost, short run average variable cost and also short run marginal cost, and long run average cost and long run marginal cost. This is what profit maximization under the short run and also long run. But only for this, firm can also possible to be get achieved. How it can possible to be make its own efforts to be make the better profit. Better profit. This is Basuraj, lecturer in economics. Thank you.